The 2025 Bajaj RE Auto Rickshaw stands as a testament to Bajaj Auto's enduring legacy and continued innovation in the realm of three-wheeled vehicles. Revered across Asia and Africa, the Bajaj RE has long been a symbol of reliable, cost-effective, and agile urban transport. In 2025, Bajaj has taken another leap forward by refining its iconic three-wheeler with enhanced features, improved efficiency, and a design philosophy that balances tradition with modern sensibilities. The heart of the 2025 Bajaj RE is its BS6 Phase 2 compliant engine, designed to meet the latest emission norms without compromising on performance. Available in petrol, CNG, LPG, and electric variants, the RE caters to a broad spectrum of drivers and markets. The internal combustion engine variants feature a 198.88cc single-cylinder, four-stroke engine that delivers impressive torque and mileage, tailored for city commuting and last-mile connectivity. The electric version, on the other hand, is equipped with a lithium-ion battery offering a practical range of 120 to 140 km per charge, depending on load and driving conditions. This adaptability makes the RE one of the most versatile auto rickshaws on the market. In terms of performance, the RE is not designed to be a speed demon, but rather to be a workhorse. It offers a top speed of around 50 to 60 km per hour, which is more than sufficient for urban traffic scenarios. The electric model features instant torque delivery, which makes acceleration smooth and noise-free, a welcome improvement for drivers and passengers alike. Its turning radius remains tight, making it highly maneuverable in congested city lanes and narrow roads where larger vehicles struggle. The 2025 RE features a revamped design that blends practicality with subtle stylistic upgrades. The front fascia has a more aerodynamic look with updated headlamps and integrated indicators. The cabin, while compact, has been ergonomically improved for better driver comfort. The dashboard now includes a digital display in higher variants, providing essential information such as battery levels, fuel economy, speed, and trip details. Bajaj has also made efforts to reduce vibrations and cabin noise, making the ride more pleasant for both the driver and the passengers. One of the standout features in the 2025 model is its improved suspension system. With front hydraulic telescopic shock absorbers and rear helical spring dampeners, the RE delivers a more stable and less bumpy ride over uneven roads. Additionally, safety features have been slightly upgraded with stronger brakes and better illumination from LED headlamps, enhancing nighttime visibility. The vehicle remains incredibly lightweight, which contributes to its fuel efficiency and easy handling, yet its chassis is strong enough to bear daily loads without compromising durability. For commercial operators, fuel efficiency and maintenance cost are critical. Bajaj has fine-tuned the RE to deliver a mileage of 30 to 40 km/h in petrol mode and 35 to 45 km per kilogram in CNG mode, depending on road and load conditions. The electric variant offers even greater savings due to lower running costs and minimal maintenance. Service intervals are straightforward, and parts are easily available in most urban and semi-urban regions, keeping downtime minimal and productivity high. The seating configuration of the 2025 RE remains traditional, a single driver's seat at the front and a spacious rear bench that comfortably accommodates up to 3 adult passengers. The ingress and egress have been made easier with a slightly wider door frame and better grip placements. Weather protection is also adequate with a high-quality canopy and optional side covers, ensuring the RE can be operated through all seasons. What makes the 2025 Bajaj RE truly special is its role in the socio-economic landscape. It continues to provide employment to millions of drivers and serves as an affordable transport solution for the masses. In a time when urban congestion and environmental concerns are pressing issues, the RE offers a compact footprint and greener fuel options, including electric, that help cities reduce their carbon emissions. Bajaj's commitment to sustainability and urban mobility is evident in the 2025 RE. It's not just a vehicle, it's a critical link in the public transportation ecosystem. Whether used for passenger commuting, small goods delivery, or even as a mobile vending unit, the RE adapts to numerous roles with ease. Its low cost of ownership, proven reliability, and nationwide support network ensure that it remains a dominant player in its segment. As the auto rickshaw market evolves with smarter, more eco-conscious consumers, the 2025 Bajaj RE rises to the challenge, balancing time-tested engineering with modern-day expectations. It is not only a continuation of a trusted legacy but also a step toward a cleaner, more efficient future in urban mobility.